Why README files matter.
A great README.md file is the gateway to understanding your project. It offers crucial information for users and contributors, boosting clarity and collaboration. Whether for open source or internal work, a well-crafted README sets expectations, answers common questions, and encourages teamwork from the start.
Project overview and purpose.
Start with a concise description and goals for the project. Explain its main features, intended audience, and the problems it aims to solve. This section helps newcomers quickly grasp what the project does and whether it suits their needs or interests.
Installation and setup instructions.
Clear, step-by-step setup guidance is essential. Describe prerequisites like software, dependencies, or hardware. Provide commands or code snippets needed to install and launch the project, making it as easy as possible for others to get up and running without confusion.
Usage examples.
This is a simple and easy-to-use approach to test your project. Make sure it's going, "This is an easy-to-use project. Can you please contact us?"
Contribution guidelines.
Encourage collaboration by explaining how to contribute. Outline code standards, reporting issues, and submitting pull requests. State any rules or recommendations for contributing to ensure smooth teamwork and higher quality project improvements.
Licensing and additional resources.
Clarify your project's license and link to further information. Mention the chosen software license so users know how they can use or modify your project. Provide links to documentation, FAQs, or other helpful resources for ongoing support.